just purchased a Linux server, but you don't know what to do with it. You don't know how to install what you need to run on it. That's what we do. If you need help installing stuff on your Linux server, feel free to go to bizenosa.com and then contact us. You can look at our pricing. We have one-time support pricing to set up maybe WordPress, maybe you need Django, you need cPanel, direct admin installed on your server. That is covered under the one-time Linux server setup. If you need monthly support, you can get that as well. We'll maintain the server, make sure everything is running well, secure it, and keep it safe. And if you're also having problems, maybe you need some small fixes here and there. Maybe you want to migrate a small WordPress, you want to migrate a database and you're experiencing problems, you need some DNS issues fixed, feel free to reach out. All our contacts are here. Feel free to go to bizenosa.com and then reach out. Hope to talk to you soon.